from Tanishka's Choice, and again I have Dhurvika and Chiku, and today we are gonna make a fidget toy video. And then, see guys, remember the tattoo video? I still have my tattoos. Chiku was not there. I made few tattoos for her. Like here, this one is gone. She has Spider-Man. Even I had though, but it's gone.
I have Chutki, Beam is gone, and a Zodiac Simon. You guys will
I wanted Chutki. Chutki was over.
That's why I shouldn't have it.
Okay. So guys, I have few fidget toys which I got from that mystery box unboxing video. So let's see what.
And some of them she bought.
Yeah. Let's see what we have. So first is this puppy bag. Choose what you want to show. And then this pop cube. Guys, see this puppet baggie. I want to pop all of them.
And when you pop it from inside, it makes a bigger sound.
No, see this.
When you pop it from inside, it makes an even bigger sound.
Yeah, wait, I'm gonna pop them again and then. Dhruvika, you choose something.
And here there is a...
No, Chiku was showing.
Chiku,
Now, mine is Simple Dimple. It's very satisfying to pop. The sound is like so satisfying. So you guys, here. See that Simple Dimple?
The blue kind of looks lighter in the video.
Done. Okay. See guys, I'm going to show you clearly. I like the highlight yellow a lot. This is so like nice.
Nice.
Now your turn, Dhurvika.
So I am gonna be showing an pastel ice cream puppet with an ice cream stick, of course. And these pop bubbles have letters and numbers written on them. You can't really see, but you can feel them.
And guys, this one. I for the satisfying pop. Hey, look at this. No. Yeah. Now we are gonna keep our things aside.
Which
No, wait. Sorry, not there. 1 second. Look at the ice cream. Where is the ice cream? Don't keep it back. We are gonna keep it in in this tub behind. Or not tub.
cover.
Now let's cover.
No, not a cover.
A tub cap.
What?
Now I'm next. I pick my favorite puppet. But actually guys, it broke. So don't remind her. Remind her? Remind the puppet. Like, don't mind. It's broken. Ouch. But I love this. I'm gonna do the loud pop. Until that, Chiku show. Should I choose? Yeah, choose. What is it? Show them. Hi guys, now. Hi guys. Guys, now. Guys, now I got this one. It's good. Yeah, see guys, now my Chiku, wait. No need to come. Guys.
And in this puppet, I love this color, the one which I'm popping in. It looks a bit dark. I love this.
Keep it in the tub. See guys, Chiku chose this fidget spinner which my biggest fan sent.
And then
I'm going to show them how to pop. I'm going to show them popping and pop.
satisfying.
No, you can show them from here. Oh guys, so I have this. Guys, and then I really figured out, like on that day I told her that this puppet glows in the dark. I saw this a lot in YouTube, the exact one, and then I saw that it glows, and then I tested that night. It actually glows.
It really glows.
Yeah. This pops a lot, but it's a little hard to pop. It's not hard. Her fingers are small. She's small. That's why maybe. Now, Dhruvika, you choose. And it once again, and it can.
Next
spin.
is this this mini circle puppet. Look at the sounds of this. And the puppet bubbles are actually a bit small, but they make a lot of sound. And it's also a keychain, so we can like hang it anywhere, even on our bags. Now,
Tanishka. It's okay. My turn. This sickle puppy. One second, guys. I'm gonna pop it. Actually, the good side also makes sound, but a bit.
now hear this.
Now Chiku's turn. Choose this one. That many. Now you have to choose both together. This. Okay, so Chiku chose these slinkies. This got a bit like tangled. These slinkies. I'm going to show them up close. This tiny one with a smiley face. Okay. This green one, neon one. This got a bit tangled here. I don't know how. Now Chiku's gonna show it from here. So this is very. No, come back. So this is very nice. It's stretchy and everything. It's and cute. It has a cute smiley face, and the giant one is. It's so cool and nice.
Like the neonish green color.
Yeah. And then now Dhruvika's turn.
And now this time I will show a pop tube. So I'm gonna be showing the color purple. Now look at this.
Okay, we all get a chance to show, but Dhruvika gets to show too because she chose it. Which color do you want, Dhruvika? The next one. I'm gonna take red. I want that.
Next time.
But Dhruvika already took it.
So I'm gonna do
Green.
yeah.
In the last video, you told us you loved.
Yeah. Because of the
Guys,
light.
actually, I had the wait. Who sent this? Because I also had a Did you people send it? Because I had another of the blue puppet.
Really? Oh, I think we only sent.
You only wait, guys. Did my biggest fan send this or this is mine? I don't remember. Because even I had like blue pop tube before. But like it was very cheap. It broke. I played for it for like 1 week and it broke.
These one are like high quality. It's like a straw.
Close it and keep it in the bag. Close it fast. Now it's my turn. I choose this heart puppet. No. So I choose this unique heart puppet. It's like a marble picture, like marble kind. This has a different circle one.
Yeah, I'm not sure for what it is.
Same. And then another time. Once again. Now I'm gonna keep it in the basket. Now Chiku stop. I'm gonna choose this. No, choose all. Take all, not one. You have to show all. Okay. Okay, guys. Now I got these. These are very nice and I named this toothpaste. The guy, someone sent that to me and I named this like candy. I named this blah blah. I named this ready. I named this Wednesday Adams. And this is the candy one. It's very nice.
Candy line.
You could name this Summer. No. Summer.
Oh, summer, yeah.
No. And this is very nice. Full red color. And this is Wednesday. Show. I showed her. Show again. This is nice. Toothpaste one? Yeah, toothpaste. And this is like full color of... Fully red. Yeah. And then the candy one? Yeah, it's very nice. Or maybe the summer one. She named it summer. Yeah. Okay. Now these are nice and satisfying. So these are only this. So now it's done. Keep that. Now next is whose turn? Dhruvika. Choose something, yes sir. Choose something.
I'm choosing this. This is like a puzzle. Like we can turn it and all that. The balls, like magnetic type balls, they roam around here and all and there and all. And we can do it however. And one ball is in here, two balls are on the top. We can just rejoin them and all that. It's like mostly like a puzzle.
Now it's my turn. I chose these monkey noodles. Okay, so I'm gonna keep them on line. Guys, see now the blue one is the shortest, the orange one is the medium, and then the purple is the longest. So blue is like so stretchy. You can stretch this. You can stretch this. The purple one is also very stretchy. Oh. From both sides I got.
I got hurt.
Don't leave it like that. I might get hurt on my face, okay? On my hands.
What?
There was like a sound with my... No, I don't come. Stop.
I don't understand. My hair is sticking to this.
See? Oh! Mine is not coming. Mine is why is mine? Give. My hand is paining. Now keep it. Oh. Now it's Chiku's turn. Your turn. No, yours. I'm done. After Rulka's yours now. I am done with the monkey noodles. I choose this watermelon.
Not watermelon.
Pineapple. Its top is gone. And this is broken. Okay, guys, this is broken. So don't mind this one. Only mind these. These are very nice to pop. You want to hear the noise? Oh my god.
And it has like pineapple prints on it.
Yeah. The color is very, very nice.
Especially the pink.
See guys. Yeah, you can see the pineapple print a bit. See guys, now I'm gonna show you the satisfying pop. Wait. And they're done. Oh, two more left. Done. Next, Dhruka.
I'm gonna show this gaming console. I'm showing this gaming console one. Okay. So not this actually. I'm gonna show wacky tracks.
Oh.
This is the green one, but there's an orange one also. And we can shape it however we want, but I'm just gonna turn this much because
I took a lot of time to make them into dogs.
Yeah. Like and this is its ear.
And that poked my leg before starting the video.
And this is the orange one, exactly like the green one. But the orange one is kind of like fluorescent, kind of. Not that much. But it's like nice color.
Now my turn. I'm gonna show this Nintendo Switch puppy. Gaming console or whatever it's called. This part. Onto the green. And then I'm gonna, oh, this green started coming out. It does come out. Done. Now keep it back. Now Chiku's turn. So I choose this bouncy ball. Both. Yeah, both. So I choose this. These two can bounce. Everyone knows bounce. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, these colors are neon color. This color is neon pink. This is neon yellow. Guys, 1 second, I see something there. Look, they bounce. Look. Oh, they're nice, nah? Oh,
Are you okay?
Yes, okay, now that's it done. My leg got stuck under that. Wait, that's done. Keep it.
Now I'm gonna show this. No, I'm gonna show this unicorn stretchy one. It's a neon yellow, like fluorescent. It's super stretchy.
It's like monkey noodles.
Yeah, but not exactly monkey noodle. And it has this like furry texture over here. That
It feels fuzzy.
Yeah, this also can stretch, but be careful while doing that because they might break easily.
Yeah, these break easily, and if you stretch the hair of them, they'll for sure break.
And look at this, guys. Each of them has like five hairs or something.
See, guys.
Looks like a pattern almost.
It looks like an L here. Now whose turn? My turn. My turn. I'm gonna.
It fell down.
I am gonna choose these like
Spiky thingies.
spiky thingies. They join together.
But they don't really.
Like when I got them, they were joining together so well. I don't know why they're not joining now. Like
Maybe their
it's like a
stickiness is gone.
massage, not sticky. Like with their spikes, they used to join. Okay, so it's like a massage. Oh, I thought both of them joined. Like it's like a massage.
And
It's
today, when we were setting
they're very squishy, like squishy balls.
And today, when we were setting it up, I noticed that these thingies have like these hooks over here.
Yeah, that's what.
I don't understand what they're really for. Like, you can't see. I need to close up. Yeah, this one I'm pointing. See?
Yeah, see this one.
This one.
This hooky thing. Yeah, they can see mine maybe.
Yeah, mine also. That one I'm not sure for what. Maybe we can like make like something. So, but it's really great for massages.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Now it's Chiku's turn. Now I got this ball that is squishy. Oh, very nice. Right? It's so good. It's very nice to play on. It's like a squishy ball, but with earth on it. I don't know.
No, the world map.
Yeah.
World map.
The earth. Yeah, now it's...
That's world map.
Sorry guys, nothing happened. Okay, so keep it there. Now whose turn? Your turn.
Yeah. So I'm gonna be showing off this little mini bear puppet. This has great sounds. This side it doesn't like sound that much. You can't really hear. But the other side so loud.
Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna show this small puppet. Actually, the big one broke, so my dad ordered another, but it was not that good. It came small.
Chiku's turn will come.
Done, and then I'm gonna keep it there. Now the final thing. Is a little mochi.